Они услышали сотни жутких голосов, которые разносились эхом по холмам, и не могли поверить своим глазам, когда обнаружили источник этих звуков. Мать и дочь катались на лошадях недалеко от гор штата Калифорнии на закате, когда внезапно услышали странный звук.
Where is that coming from? It's like it's way over there, but it's also right here. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. This is straight apocalyptic. Somebody is summoning something here. What is happening? What is happening right now? Okay. No. Pretty sure Jordan and I just stumbled across a live Lemurian conference call. Sorry for interrupting. Just for you. I am sitting here freaking out because I thought this bag of trash was talking to me, and everything you were saying was coming over the Bluetooth speaker in my bag. Oh my god. I'm like, the trash bag is talking to me now.
Oh, my phone is still connected. I did
Your
it.
phone is connected. I had to piss my pants going, we gotta go, because the trash is talking to us. Oh boy. In other words, actually, let's go.
Okay.
I'm over it. We just found another one. Way up the mountain. Something about salvation.
You are the representative of God for our spiritual elevation. We humbly worship, praise, thank, obey, and love God Almighty, the Most High, the greatest, for world vegan, world peace, and our soul liberation. We thank, love, praise, the only...
If something like this were to exist...
Jordan and I went on a ride, and we just came across this noise that we heard. We're going up this hill, and it's... You can hear it in the background. I'm going to show you. It's a little freaking creepy. Hold on. It's creepy. There's a mountain. And look at, there is another 100 of them out there. But it's like this Lemurian beacon system. I have no idea. Somebody put a lot of effort into this. Come on. This is insane. I guess they're solar powered. This one actually makes sense. The other ones are just white noise. All right, well, we're getting out of here stat.
Этот звук был похож на чей-то крик. Большинство людей развернулось бы и ушли бы. Но эти две женщины решили выяснить, откуда он доносился. Они свернули с тропы и направились через заросли, где наткнулись на нечто совершенно неожиданное. Большинство динамиков воспроизводили только белый шум. Поскольку они работали с небольшой расхронизацией, звуки смешивались, создавая нечто похожее на жуткий статический шум или даже отдаленные крики. В сей день никто не знает, кто их установил и зачем. Сотни скрытых голосов продолжают эхом разноситься сквозь заросли у подножья горы Шаста, и никто не знает, кто их слушает. Кевин ищет место, где можно поставить палатку в пересохшем болоте. Обычный городской стелс-кемпинг в заброшенном участке леса, недалеко от шоссе. Кевин ищет место для лагеря в пересохшем болоте, замечая старые бетонные конструкции, железнодорожные шпалы и мусор.
Not a swamp, but it's filled with old remnants of structures, concrete, railroad ties, garbage. Now, I left my pack where I came in and walked in this direction. I don't think I'm going to camp in this direction. I'm way too close to people's homes, and there's a trail right there that I'm pretty sure they could just see me if they looked. Something maybe weird, I don't really know. Right before I walked over here, it sounded like somebody threw something at me. Like it was like a dunk, 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 dunk. And I looked at it, and it was like one of those green walnut nuts that fall and make that sound. But the weird thing about that is there was no other such nuts around. So either they're just a popular treat in this forest and they're cleaned up quickly, or somebody found that, maybe that kid that saw me come in and threw it down here. I'm hoping it's the former.
Тут он слышит этот резкий удар, как будто что-то упало неподалеку. Он нашел, что упало. Это был обычный зеленый греческий орех, а над ним нет дерева, никакого объяснения. Возможно, кто-то его заметил и кинул в него греческий орех.
Something like jangling and walking. I still hear something over there. I don't hear the jangling, but I hear something over there.
Он совершенно неподвижно лежит в своей палатке, насторожившись, пока звук продолжается около 10 минут, а затем постепенно исчезает. В темноте он слышал ни лай собак, ни шаги, ни удары, только звон цепи. Ему удается поспать несколько часов, дожить до утра, и недолго думая, Кевин собрал свой лагерь и ушел. Как вы думаете, это было обычное построенное видео или правда Кевин встретил какого-то больного человека? В январе 2025 года британский ютубер Джеймс загрузил на свой канал видео. Обычно он путешествует по Великобритании на своем кемпере, снимая живописные места и исследуя природу. Но эта поездка была другой. На этот раз Джеймс отправился один в город в Англии. Проведя весь день в дороге, он приехал поздно вечером, припарковал кемпер и на обочине и устроился на ночевку.
Just had the most terrifying experience of my life. I'm only still just getting over it. So let me give you a little bit of context of what's happened. Last night I've come to Sunderland because I'm doing a vlog. My next vlog's going to be about Sunderland. And I found a good place to park up. In fact, what I think is a cracking place, which is out in sticks a little bit. There's not much going on and I'm on this lane. I was up late doing all my research for my Sunderland video, and I'm thinking, oh, I need to get some sleep or else I'm going to be shattered in the morning. So got in bed, fallen asleep. Next thing, banging above my head, and you know when something completely, you know what it's like when you're fast asleep and something jolts you so much you don't know what planet you're on. It's like my soul left my body, my heart. So I get up and I'm like, what's that? Who's that? What's going on? I didn't know where I was. And I pulled blind down. That was my first reaction. And there's a bloody face at the window. The most terrifying thing that has ever happened to me. Face up at my window.
Follow me, don't follow. With the pippin and I'm the back. You're not going no one. I'm not the third one. I'm not the private race. I'm not a first English footballer. I'm not a reef, I don't know what means. You see when you're pulling the dead people who you're supposed to look. Monster, I've never heard before. There's all new modern technology. You've got fucking stuff like this on there. You're a camera one, you're shutting out higher, you're going through that, you're back. I don't know what who might follow you. Well, I'll be water.
So I've got some nutter shouting outside van. Still there, look.
Он проснулся от громкого удара по крыше своего фургона, еще находясь в полусонном состоянии, и совершенно не понимал, что происходит на улице. Джеймс сразу понял, что снаружи кто-то есть. Через некоторое время мужчина все-таки ушел, и этот жуткий эпизод закончился. Однако Джеймс признался, что происшедшее настолько его потрясло, что даже спустя время он продолжает вспоминать ту ночь с чувством страха. Луис, снимающий видео о природе, поделился этой историей после того, как Эш и его друг Рич отправился на ночевку в лес Бреннан-Вудс, недалеко от руин старого металлургического завода 24 февраля 2024 года.
Did you hear that? Yeah, that was loud. Try not to freak out now. Fuck's that? That sounds like screaming and Morning, yeah. And I hear a humming. I hear a humming.
Минутка внимания, ребят. Хотел вас попросить, чтобы вы подписались на мой телеграм-канал. Там я частенько пощу разные интересные вещи. Ну и, конечно же, подпишись на мой Twitch, чтобы не пропустить мою трансляцию.
That is spooky, Rick. That's really, really spooky, mate. Very deep in the woods now. Hang on. Sounds like about 20-30 people. Miles away from them. What's a long walk to get here, isn't it? Long. Satanic. Shh, just be quiet, Rich. Be quiet a minute, mate. What the hell is it? I see lights. Shh, be quiet. What the hell's going on down here? There's people below this bridge. What the hell is this? Be quiet, yeah? Don't get seen. Don't get seen. Some sort of ritual things going on right now. They got people in the waterfall naked. They're all fucking naked.
По словам Эша, они увидели 20 человек, которые стояли в ледяной воде, которые пели, кричали и странно двигались. Это выглядело как какой-то ритуал. Не желая, чтобы их заметили, они тихо отступили и вернулись в лагерь. Утром они ушли, так и не выяснив, что за группа была той ночью и что именно они делали. Пишите свое мнение по поводу этого момента в комментариях. Мишель Ариков – это канадский автор, который исследует заброшенные места, проверяет паранормальные легенды и необъяснимые явления. 7 октября 2023 года Мишель отправился в одно из самых жутких мест, которые ему когда-либо доводилось исследовать – заброшенное поселение, известное как деревня мертвецов. Это место окружено зловещей историей. Когда-то здесь горела лечебница, загадочное исчезновение людей и подземные туннели, и странные люди, которые находились в этих местах. Незадолго до того, как они добрались до руин, на тропе произошло нечто, чего ни один из них не мог объяснить, превратив и без того опасное путешествие в нечто гораздо более пугающее.
To the forest where the undead village is supposed to be, and there seems to be like some kind of fence telling us not to go in, but you know us. What does that say?
Do not enter dead inside.
What? That's weird.
Do not enter dead inside.
Well, this is supposed to be where the undead village is. That's kind of creepy. Do not enter dead inside.
Yeah, I would say do not enter is normal at this point.
Yeah.
For all of your kind of adventures, it's normal, but the dead inside, now that's new.
That's kind of creepy. And it looks super. For about an hour before the sun's officially down. So now that we're on the trail, we should be able to cover way more ground than we did pretty much all day.
Not on the trail.
Yeah. And
seems like we're making pretty good time.
What else did I want to say? Shh, shh. What is that?
What the hell is that?
Who is that? Yo.
He's going into the woods. What the hell?
What's that? That was a person.
I know. Should we like go help them?
You see what they were wearing?
Yeah. What are they doing all the way out here in the middle of the woods? Should we go see if they're okay?
What is that? You think that was someone from the village? They were literally wearing like the doctor gown or whatever it's called.
Well, if they are from the village, do we maybe shouldn't? Michelle.
We're fine. As long as we're on the trail.
You just like went in there?
Yeah.
I don't see him anymore.
Не было никакого объяснения, кто он, что здесь делал. С наступлением темноты видимость ухудшилась, и продолжать путь в незнакомом лесу было опасно.
I think if we go any further into the woods, we're probably just gonna get lost. And visibility right now is super low, guys. So I think we're gonna pull up the tent. We're gonna set it up right here. What's that?
Okay, spooky.
Is that a person?
Sounded like it.
All the way out here?
I know, we're in the middle of nowhere. Hello?
I don't think we want them to know we're here. What if it was that person that we saw earlier? You know?
Well,
There's no way they're running
hopefully
out there
there's
without
not more than one running around here, is all I'd have to say about that.
How would they be out here without like a flashlight, you know?
Maybe they're used to it. Who knows, though? I agree with what you were saying.
Set up camp right here
Yeah.
somewhere. All right. Shh, shh. Is that something
Whoa.
sprinting?
Whoa. Whoa.
Get in the tent. Get in the tent now. Oh my God. What was that?
It sounded like something was sprinting towards us.
You think we're okay?
I don't know.
There's like a little window here. Oh my God. Guys, this tent setup was absolutely
Just know that there are some chances you may get lost.
I've gotten lost many times.
Multiple times.
I have a poor track record for getting lost in the woods.
So.
But I go on trails that aren't official, that's why.
It's okay. Just give your excuses if you really need to. But.
I gotta pull out the stupid compass now.
Yup, pull it out.
Okay.
Hopefully we didn't like part 2. What is
Who is
that? Michelle.
What?
Go.
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 Go. What the hell? He's right there.
Somebody yell.
Come inside. Over here. Jesus. Who is that? Come on. Back here, back here, back here. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Help. Go, 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 go. Jesus. Where is he? What was that? Oh my God. That was horrifying.
I know.
How are we running into all these like weirdos?
Пока мужчина кричал и бежал за ними, они по-прежнему не знали, кто он и чего хочет от них.
People have definitely been here.
Oh, for sure. There's graffiti all over the place. Knock, see if anyone's home.
I don't know if there's any alarms in this place.
Imagine someone came out.
Oh my god, that'd be scary. So this is the entrance. Ladies first. There's like a little opening here.
Through the window you go. I'm starting to think
Yeah.
you're just using that as an excuse because you're scared.
Am I?
I think so. Okay, what's like the... It stinks in there. First
Yeah,
of
it's
all.
kind of bad. Wait, shh. What is that? Yo.
Let's go. Go, go, go.
Yo.
Come on. Come here. Let's go.
Oh my god. My mic.
Let's go. Where's it coming from? I can't tell. This one or this one?
Just hide for a second. It's coming this way. It's coming this way.
Go, 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 go.
It's coming in our direction.
You see it? What is it? Is it the guy?
I didn't see anything. It just sounded like something was walking toward me.
Should we just stay here? Or is there another way out?
I think we need to find another building. I don't want to be in this one. Wait on the ground. It's cozy. Shira? Shira, we need to run.
What?
Ah! Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Upstairs, upstairs, upstairs.
Hey,
This way.
go. What happened?
Up the stairs, up the stairs. What the f? We need to get out of here. What's your step? Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah. Go. Go. Go.
Они находились глубоко внутри отдаленного поселения, окруженного разрушенными зданиями и заросшей дикой природой, не имея возможности узнать, кто еще может находиться поблизости. Место продолжило хранить свои секреты, скрытые между зданиями. В конце концов, ребята покинули деревню мертвецов. Это британский канал, который посвящен паранормальным исследованиям, городским исследованиям и ночевкам в дикой природе.
What I will say at the moment, I feel okay, but I know as soon as that sun sets.
It's when the sun sets and the forest goes dark and we're stuck inside a little tent. Well, a 4-man tent. We're in a 4-man tent tonight, so we should be okay. But that sounded like somebody coughed. Did that sound like somebody coughed to you?
Yeah.
From that way. Right. Let's get the tent and that up. Let's get our stuff in the tent set up, because I am gagging for a cup of coffee.
Oh yeah, now we're talking.
Now we're talking. Yeah. Right. So yeah, just before I start setting the tent up, I just want to go, what is that? What is that? What is that? Hello?
That was something growling, wasn't it?
That sounds like a growl. That sounds like a f***ing growl. F*** would be growling out there. Oh, you okay?
There's a fly, sorry. That was a growl.
It definitely sounded like a growl.
Can I just say to it, why?
What the f*** is that? What the f*** was that?
Why do they keep like doing it back? Low key, I'm like, don't do that again because I think it's a bad thing to do, but I'm also like, do it.
Because it's intriguing, because it responds to it.
Yeah, do it again.
Come to us.
Nothing on this. I've never known that.
It's very quiet, isn't it?
Like, it's not said one thing.
Come say hello. It really smells like wet dog here. Right, I don't want to go too far away from Lot. I don't want to leave her too long on her own. I can't see anything. Oh my god, it's a tree stump. I thought somebody was stood right there. There's Lottie there. It smells of wet dog. Right. I think safety in the tent. That's what I'm thinking at the minute. Whew. Yeah. Mate. Over that side.
Ребята убеждены, что за ними действительно кто-то следит, они не могут уснуть и не могут избавиться от ощущения, что за ними кто-то наблюдает из темного леса. Поэтому они ждут рассвета и в 4 утра собирают вещи и немедленно покидают лес. Вот и все, друг. Надеюсь, тебе понравилось видео, и я хоть чуть-чуть смог тебя напугать. Ну и, конечно же, пиши свое мнение в комментариях, что тебе больше всего напугало, что тебе показалось фейком. С тобой был Лежик, береги себя, бывай!